stay tuned if you want some flavor in your life. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber, and this is Sully, and this is Brunch with Burr. So today, we're gonna be making breakfast burritos. And this is my baby sister, Taylor. Taylor, say hi.
Hi.
Today, Taylor is joining me to make burritos. Get it?
Yeah.
Burritos.
Burritos.
But it's gonna have a special twist. It's not gonna be any of those plain Jane burritos. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so first we are going to have 5 sausage links of maple brown. You can get it anywhere. These are Johnson. Okay, you can put it down. Next item. Next thing we're gonna have is 1 chopped onion, either yellow or white. The next are 6 potatoes, chopped. Next we'll have in our burrito is bacon bits. The next thing we're gonna have is pepper jack cheese. Not the whole thing. How many people are we feeding? 4 people, so 4 slices of pepper jack cheese. It'll depend on how many people you're feeding. The next thing that we're gonna be using for this burrito is 4 eggs. Woo! And then after that, something that everyone needs in their lives.
Salt and pepper?
Salt, pepper, and garlic. Do you think people need to season their food?
Yes.
Do you think people season their food enough?
No.
I agree. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to be cooking is the potatoes. So what you're going to want to do is you're just going to toss them into the pan like you wouldn't do with everything. Taylor, do you want to do the honor since you're my guest on the show? Wow, how did you learn how to just put the potatoes in the pan? Such an expert. Okay, you're struggling. Never mind. Okay, the next thing you're going to want to add is the white onions. Yes. I forgot. The other thing that you need for this meal is olive oil so that we can get some nice crispy onions and crispy potatoes. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the olive oil in. And I'm so sorry, I don't have any measurements for this. Guess to the point that you are comfortable with. If you don't like oil, if you want something natural, butter is your next best bet. So now what you're going to want to do is get a tablespoon, like Taylor corrected me, of pepper and add it into your creation. Please make sure to add seasoning into your meal. And don't be afraid if you feel like, oh, this is not enough seasoning, please add more. Because seasoning is good for you. Well, not all of you, but some of you.
A tablespoon of salt.
A tablespoon of salt, and now a tablespoon of garlic. Now we're gonna whip it up. Beautiful. So Taylor, what have you been doing lately? Where do you work?
At a real estate consulting company.
Wow. So you give advice to people on what they should do with their money as far as buying homes?
No, I send emails. I'm an assistant for the whole office.
Beautiful. Alright, so now that once you mix everything up, now you're going to hit that flame up on high. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. God, and this is a lot of potatoes.
That is a lot of You should put them in the oven. Oh my god, you're right. I'm always right. Jacob knows.
Okay, I take this back. We're gonna put it in the oven. So my sister told me not to use the pan. I should just put it in the oven if I want a crunch effect. And I agree with her. Now I am the cooking master in this kitchen, but I will listen to my little sister because I am open to new ideas. Well, this isn't new, but a better idea. Ready, Taylor?
Yes.
Help me scoop this on. Beautiful. Oh. What do you recommend we put the heat on for?
I do 450.
450?
But only keep it in there for like 20 minutes.
To get some burnt
Because
potatoes?
the last time I made potatoes, I cooked chicken with it and I put it on 450. And I left it in there for 18 minutes.
So 425 for how long?
For, I'd say 18 minutes.
Alright, so we're gonna put this in for 425, 18 minutes. I'm gonna trust my sister's instincts. Okay, so while we wait for the potatoes to be done in the oven, we're now gonna just whisk our eggs.
Oh wait, we forgot to tell them.
What?
Add an extra 10 minutes on your potato.
Yes, Taylor was wrong. You can do it at 425, but it's not done in 10 minutes. It's done in like 29 minutes, so 30 minutes approximately for your potatoes to be crunchy. Oh my gosh. I cannot do this. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna season these eggs with salt and pepper. So Taylor, get the salt and pepper to season it. Make sure to whisk these eggs. Whisk it real good.
Here's the salt.
Thank you. Do a couple shakes.
This.
Okay, that is a lot of pepper. The next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna add the meat. So Taylor, can you grab the meat and add it into the... This is what it should look like. Make sure to also add your bacon bits. Looks good. Now next, Taylor is going to teach us how to warm your tortillas the right way. Okay, Taylor, so we're trying to learn how to warm up our tortillas the right way. Can you please just give us a little demonstration on how you warm your tortillas up?
So first, how I warm my tortillas up is I put it on.
It's not lit, Taylor. Oh gosh.
Put it
It's gonna burn
on.
down my house.
Put it on medium. Actually, don't put it on medium. Let's put it on medium low.
Do you know how to cook tortillas?
Grab them. Then you just want to flip it every single time.
Okay. Thank you.
Just hold that. You want to leave a little piece so you can grab it so you don't burn yourself.
Okay, yeah. It's smoking. It's smoking. Do you have this under control?
Yes.
Because the burnt spots tell me otherwise.
They're a little hot.
Oh my gosh.
And then you're just going to repeat for the next tortilla.
Thank you. Perfecto. It only took about 35 minutes to get there. Not 18, not 29, 35 minutes. Right, Taylor?
Right.
Oh my gosh. Smell that. It smells good.
Taylor's approved.
Oh, didn't know you were a chef. Now next what we're gonna do, cook the eggs. You wanna cook those for me?
Yeah.
Alright, Taylor, get to whipping.
So first, when we cook our eggs, you want to always make sure you turn your pot handle inwards and not outwards because you'll spill everything if you bump into it. Pour your eggs and everything in there inside of the pan. Then you want to put it on medium, low heat and just wait.
Now, did you put any non-stick in there?
Well, we had oil from it before.
So you use the same pot as the potatoes and onions.
It's technically not cross-contamination because the potatoes weren't meat or anything else bad. And this isn't lettuce.
Oh, I wasn't saying anything. I was just saying, oh, I really feel bad if this is a beginner's first time learning burritos. Alright, so how long are we going to cook those eggs for?
I'm not really good at eggs.
Oh gosh. I learned how to cook eggs on Hell's Kitchen because they said that you need to add cream to your eggs. And it also needs to be on like medium-low temperature.
I already knew medium low.
But where's the cream?
Cream, like creamer.
No. Cream
Oh,
as in...
milk cream. Milk cream, got it.
Leche.
Wes, come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Boop, boop. Does the sausage look done?
Yeah.
Would you eat that?
Yeah, probably.
Probably isn't good enough. Okay, so what do you think, Hammer?
I think you messed up my eggs.
I think they're good.
Oh, why don't you show everybody?
This is how they look, guys. I think they look fine. I think they still look. Everything's edible here. Don't eat it yet.
I'm not. The eggs are almost done, Taylor?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Can you tell me one thing though?
They're not.
It's not on. The stove is not on.
I'm gonna take a break.
A break? Because I have to be Ramsey and fix the cook's mistakes. I saved the eggs. As you can see, I did a great job. Now we're gonna play a little game of who can make a better burrito for their man? Myself or Taylor? Alright, let's begin. The object of the game is to make sure that your burrito is something that your man would like to eat, but also something that doesn't fall apart. If it falls apart, you lose. Cameron's first, because you're tall.
No, come here.
Jacob, your turn.
It's good.
Lies. Well, glad you like it. Get out of my kitchen. Alright, guys. What we have here is a Burr burrito. Well, Burr taco, because I can't close it up. I really can't make a burrito for my life. But you know what? Food is food, and it looks delicious. Do you like it? about it.
The sausage.
Johnson maple syrup sausage. It's really good. I'm so sorry about her. She won't be coming back. Thanks for coming onto my channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button or subscribe. But yeah, have a great day. Bye.